So what it is really is getting you all together from Yamaha, from Hyundai, from all of the different manufacturers out there. And I wanted to take time to say thank you for taking time out of your busy day to come to our first Think Global for Manufacturing.
To have the TGF manufacturing event in Newport Beach is ideal because we are surrounded by manufacturers.
We asked the question 20 years from now, where do you think, content would be within the manufacturing industry?
Most of the translators, the translation professionals that do the translation work still work in offline systems. And then you've got all these organizations that none of them have any centralized process. So you may have the marketing team doing one thing with one translation group. You may have the engineering team doing something completely different.
For me, it's just going to be very interesting just sitting here listening to other people in similar positions of responsibility at companies and what are the problems and the other the issues that come up that they deal with and how did they deal with them.
Today was great because there was a lot of knowledge shared and we brought people together that would normally never sit across from the table from each other.
I don't think anyone else in our industry is doing this, and I think here at Visitech we're setting the trend and people are going to latch onto this, and it's only going to get bigger and better.